As every schoolhouse rocker knows, 3 is the magic number. So when we set out to make our low love seat even more awesome, the only way to one-up ourselves was to add room for one more. Introducing the new Lowdown Couch, the ultimate communal camp seat, with room for 3 adult humans and a variety of grown-up, family, and doggo combos. This easygoing essential is guaranteed to be the roomiest roost around the campfire. Like its sibling, the Low Love Seat, the Lowdown Couch features a low base and slightly reclined design that's easy getting and easy sitting. A sturdy, powder-coated steel frame stands up to any campsite shenanigans, while durable fabrics and quilted backrest means comfort that lasts as long as you do, and then some. Of course, we wouldn't want to leave your bevies out in the cold. Each adjustable armrest has an oversized insulated beverage holder, ready to receive everything from your favorite cold one to extra large water bottles and beyond. Use the included carry wrap to haul stuff around the campsite. It even doubles as a dog bed. Not that he'll need it. And when it's time to roll out, it all rolls up in a matter of seconds. The Lowdown Couch from Kelty. Let's take this outside.